into eyenzakalayo ukuthi kuSAMRO kunama portal awu2 khona ama producers noma abantu abenza umculo song creators, music creators bese kuba ama music users. Ama music users it's those formal places where abasenzisa music kwabanye abantu like ama clubs, pick and ama wholesale and retail shops. Anyway where ba register ke nabo kwaSAMRO ukuze bathole i-membership yokusebenzisa umculo wabanye abantu. Then ngaleso sikhathi benza kanjalo wena uma uyo performa khona or music wakho udlala khona uSAMRO will know because they will submit like eRadioweni month end mayiphela eRadioweni uCause will submit kwaSAMRO ukuthi this is the playlist, this is how many times we played, and then uSAMRO takes their percentage and then uthatha percentage yakho now depending on ama minutes edlalwe ngayo ingoma yakho because normally radio will not play full song, mhlawumbe will play 2 minutes why then SAMRO splits from 2 minutes share yakhe akunike yakho but the payout is unyaka shuthi for songs you submitted this year uzothola payout yakhona next year.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele sithi welcome to i-podcast kaSanele. This is the business class episode, so as always bafethu ngihamba noJobe. Namhlanje sinelinye i-guest lethu elibaleke kakhulu, siyabingelela siphinde sikwamukele babuNhlangulelo yaphila.
Ngiyaphila umlambo hayi siyaphila.
Sikhona mfethu siyathokoza nje ukuthi sibe nawe uthatha isikhathi sakho ukuthi ufike uzivashele la ekhaya. Lokho kuyasijabulisa kakhulu and siyakuthokozela siyabonga kakhulu.
Nona nami ngibonga nje ithuba kini nobabili kuwena Mlambo nakuwe lapho Jobe just nje ukuthi nami ngizothola iplatform yokuthi ngizozibonisa yabo so
okay sina ke siqale phansi ke indaba vele siqale siginqini nje icela usichazele nje uchazela ababukeli bethu ukuthi ubani uAyanda Nhlangulelo usichazele nje mhlawumbe ekhaya uphaphama mhlawumbe mokhona structure uchaze ufunda phi nani then sidonse nje because vele lento sithatha njengokuthi we are documenting our own history, our own story, so ayikho umuntu ongasitshela ngoNhlangulelo ngodeni.
I know uyibeke kahle baba. No uAyanda Nhlangulelo uzalwa ngo1991 ezalelwa esibhedlela sase Eden eMaritzburg. Lapho ke besisahlala endaweni ekuthiwa kwaDambuza. So ngizalelwe kwaDambuza eMaritzburg. Then from lapho ekhaya ke si structure nje sumndeni ubaba umama osisi abadala abathathu bese kuba yimina nomfowethu omncane. So from lapho sike ubaba wathola umsebenzi ngapha eFryhead ngo94. So from 94 sasuka ke eMaritzburg sasizohlala eFryhead, so I've been eFryhead from 94 since nje kukanjalo and esikoleni ngifunde khona ngapha eFryhead eNkamana High School ifundo zami ephezulu. So from lapho ngase ngiphuma ke sengiyofunda eUniversity yase Johannesburg lapho ngathola iziqu zami ke kwi-LLB. So music ngiuthole ngikhula vele ngimncane from uthando likaBaba edlala ama record, so every time ngidlala irecord bengisukuma ngithathe nominduku yomshanyelo ngijabulele lo dlala isiginci ngilalele lo odlala isiginci. So cabanga uthando lwesiginci lasuka lapho ke nje from lapho up until manje ke sekuze kwaba icareer wangisho kanjalo.
So ubaba bedlala ingoma enjani, music kanjani?
Ubedlala umculo kakhulu we-jazz ne-fusion. So uthando lwami ngaye ngilibona ko-El Clue, ko-George Benson. So kahle kahle igama lami lesibili liqhamuka from u-El Clue. Ubaba wathanda kakhulu indlela edlala ngayo isiginci. So kanti shuthi nami ngizohamba ngihambe ngisidlale. So walisusela lapha igama lesibili.
Okay, so manje ubaba edlala isiginci?
Ubaba Lutho akadlala isiginci.
Okay.
Mina nje oqala, mina nje oqala.
Okay. So manje high school uya participate kuma music naniqale nithatha serious nje indaba music.
Okay, from nje kusasemncane esikoleni primary bengijoyina nje anything ene entertainment like bengenza indlamu amahubo yonke lento encane nje na kwi choir, but then ngakhula high school kwase ngene izifundo kakhulu yabo focus kakhulu esikoleni, but ke nakhona kwi choir bengikhona ngiparticipate, but bese liqala lapho kuthando lwe instrument ngoba bekunothi makudlalwa instrument ngibe ne-interest ukuthi yazi mina ngifisa ngathi ngingenza lokho abakwenza lapha rather than lokho okucula yabo. Yeah, so qhamuka kanjalo uthando lwe-instrument.
Okay, so can you share a particular moment you consider it as a turning point empilweni yakho, into mhlawumbe neyenzeka wena then wasuthi okay this is a turning point now, lento ingiphoqa ukuthi ngithathe le direction?
Okay, ngifika evarsity first year yami
ungaphuza amanzi bethu.
yabo. Well, ngangithathe ilaw, so ilaw I wasn't sure about ukuthi choice right for mina ngoba ngangazi lutho ngayo, so I had no interest in law, just abazali babuka nje bathi wena uzokwenza ilaw. So for mina leyo choice leyo yayikhuni ngalendlela ukuthi first year yami ayihambanga kahle, so ngadinga ukuthola into ezongirelaxisa yabo. So one day ngiyahamba emall yase Southdale. Khona eGoli la ngangihlala khona oba ngihlala eBoysens ngaleso sikhathi. So mangidlula ke Cash Crusaders, wawusafika uCash Crusaders, ngivele ngibone lesi siginci nje esibekwe ngaphandle yabo, sinentambo eyodwa elusi engekho. Ngadlula okokuqala ngasibuka ngayojika eminyango. Uma sengibuya okwesibili ngaphinde sengiqedile ukuthenga izinto ebengiyoyithenga yabo, sengijikiswa lesi siginci ngaphinde ngasibuka okwesibili, ngisalelwe imali yokugcina kwacabanga kwaku350. Ngicabanga ukuthi if ngithenga lesi siginci shuthi kuphela yonke imali yami yabo, ngoba ngasondela ngase ngisibuka ngabona ukuthi no su350. Ngangena ngaphakathi yabo, shuthi sengibuya okwesithathu, ngijike eminyango sengibuya okwesithathu, siyangitshela into ukuthi vele usithathe yabo, just ukuthi nje ube nento ozoba busy ngoba ngangiyibuka nje nami ukuthi yasehleli lapha endlini eroomini sengisibuka nje just for ukuhlobisa.
Just for ukuhlobisa.
Yeah, and then ngasithenga kanjalo ke, then from lapho ke kwaqala lapho ngathi for mina kwakuyi-turning point ngoba yona into eyangigqugquzela ukuthi ngi-own an instrument ezongichanela towards.
Wenza unyaka singaki manje lapho?
Sengenza unyaka wesibili ngisawuqala nakhona.
Okay. So on your basic day nje wenzani athi ama-hobbies akho na-passions?
Basically kuspliteke kabili because ngumuntu we-9 to 5 ngiyasebenza during the day from 7:30 to 4:00 ngisemsebenzini. But the passion isuke isavutha ngaphakathi because kuyenzeka during amalunch ulalela music, so I think it goes hand in hand. Kuyangilekelela at work ukuthi nakhona ngibe ngicabanga ngomusic, but also work helps me ku-music ukuthi ngifocus ngiyithathe serious as a formal thing, a profession ngisho kanjalo. So ama-hobbies ami is after work I mostly ngenza music because I have a studio engisirana eshop. So that's where ngihlala isikhathi esiningi doing i-production, new ideas nama-artist ke engiwamanajayo ayafika azokwenza umsebenzi wawo.
Okay, so sesiyangena-ke manje kulokho nje uzokugcina ikhona mhlawumbe into uyakhula useyintwana usevarsity or manje into mhlawumbe iyaku-challenge nje to the point washo ukuthi hayi naye yabo manje I'm being challenged, but wagcina ukwazile ukuyinqoba. Wenza kanjani?
I would say the degree ngangifunda for me was a big challenge looking back ukuthi ngangabanga nayo I passion before ngene kuyo le profession so for mina kwaba ileyo challenge but ke ngoba ngichaza ukuthi ukuthola umusic kwa mitigate kwakwenza kwanento engibhizi ngayo enginika nesikhathi ukuthi okay mangifunda kufuneka ngifocus emsebenzini but I also have something e fun empilweni ezokwenza ukuthi ngikwazi yabo ukuthi ngirelax.
Okay nakho-ke manje susiphethe isigingci mawuqala nje ushaya lo music lo we-timer noma wenza njani-ke manje the moment usibamba nje awukaze wadlala isigingci before wenze njani-ke manje?
Hayi ukutshela mfo kwamlambo kwabheda yabo ngiqala nje mhlawumbe 3 months sonke ngagcine ngithi hayi ngiyaquit ulwazi nganginalo ngaleso sikhathi ngasithatha nje ngasithenga sinjalo sinentambo ehlephukile singachuniwe ngangakakwazi konke lokho cha siyachuna ukuze sikhulumise lento eyifunayo so for 3 months ngiloke ngisixilongo kodwa manje ipassion ikhona qale ngentambo eyodwa yabo ngizwe ngathi siyacula ngathatha lokho nje ngathi at least makukhona engikuzwayo hayi iyona into engiyobambelela kuyo kanti ngizohlangana nomnye umfo estradini yabo okusho ukuthi wayekwazi ukuhlela wathi awuthi isigingci sakho ngisibone yabo wasithinta wasichuna weza uthi hayi
isigingci sithiwe kahle
wangisethela wasithinta akavele ngahlahla amehlo ngithi hawu lo muntu wenza umlingo nayi lento lebengiyifuna kanti siyakhala ngacishe ngasibuyisela ngiyosidayisa yabo ngithi hayi shuthi lesi sigingci singasebenzi
okay shuthi mosithenga isitolo sosingasethiwe
hayi funeka ugade vele ukuthi asisethiwe unless lezi zinto mhlambe kuyenza kube khona umuntu oyakhona nje lapho lokho eyisetha kancane mayinayo nakhona ipassion kuyenzeka lokho eyisetha nje yenze ukuthi
from the store nje
from the box nje si clean yonke instrument oyithola nje from estolo nje isuke ingakachuni
lento usuyayithunela wena according to i-genre
ukuthi udlala ibass
then so manje washaya umthitha then manje sushaya kanjani-ke manje
so into yangidirector to uhlobo lo music ngicabanga ukuthi indlela engikhule ngayo ngilalela umusic lobulalela ubaba ngathini mangicabangisa mangikhuluma nje ngeplaylist yakwa East Coast bekumculo ohamba wadevelopa lapho ngilalela kakhulu music wase-America ngingakazwani nomusic wangapha so umusic angaqala ngawufunda through YouTube kwaba kakhulu music yabo
so manje ku-YouTube ama-tutorial
hayi nqwaba nje khona ama-tutorials yonke into esuke ufuna ukuyifunda specifically ngomusic noma ngaleyo instrument ikhona ku-YouTube so nami ngathola kanjalo-ke ngaqala ngalandelela ngoba angithi asuyine-access e-varsity so ngiqala kanjalo-ke sengiyabuka ama-video yabo ngihlangana nabantu abenza umusic baseke bengichushisa kanjalo ukuthi no
so manje igingi ihluke kanjani mfethu mhlawumbe unositshele nje inhlobo zegingi ehlukene then bese uyachaza ukuthi lesi sakho sikanjani
okay zihlukene mhlawumbe ukuthi angazi ziningi kodwa ke nje engayibala mainly ngakutshena ukuthi khona i-acoustic yes i-acoustic iyona ke le evamise ukuba na 6 strings noma 12 strings iledlala ngaphandle kokuthi uyixhume neyintambo ama strings yebo intambo lezi hlukana ngakho ziyaba u12 ziyaba u6 kodwa kulo ngoba ziwu6 nje i-acoustic ka 6 strings yebo kuze kube khona i-electric ilena ke edinga ukuthi uzuyifaka kwi speaker sakhona ukuze izwakale lesa bathe sikagesi bese kuzoba khona i-bass guitar ineyintambo ezinkulu kunalesi yebo bayidlala kumaskande naso lesi basidlala kumaskande ukuthi kuhluke indlela esisishuna ngayo intambo leyo yokugcina kodwa ke lesi bass lesi nje suke sidlala i-bass siculala nje i-bass yebo bese kuzoba ngicabanga ukuthi ilezo nje ekuyona ama main bese ke from lapho kuphuma ke ukuhlukana kwazo ngeintambo ngosize ngobude bakhona ngezigubhu ngoba khona nalokho abathi amabenjo khona nalokho abathi ikhulele lokho kuneyintambo mhlawumbe ezu4 okuncanyana nje kanjalo kanjalo
yini enza i-guitar ihluke shithi intambo kahle i-board ngafana but intambo iyona kahle or izona ezenza
umzimba uyahluka nazo intambo zakhona ziyawenza uhluke ngoba kuyenza kube iplangwe kuyenza kube iplangwe lisolid
okay so manje ama-artist uhlangana nawo kanjani-ke manje
From Evercity sengijoine izinto zo music like kune music society so ngahlangana nomunye ubhuti ke ekuthiwa uThepang Rasimates bethanda ukucula passionate ngokucula so ngingakakwazi ngisasifunda isiginci sihlangane khona usho ukuthi yimi ngedwa ngalolo suku odlala isiginci bathi hayi sicela umuntu namhlanje odlala isiginci ngisenamahloni ngasaba avela athi lo mfo hayi mfethu angihlebela athi noma wena ungadlala ngisho intambo eyodwa mina ngizoyiculisa ibe mnandi yabo sihlangane kanjalo ke nalomfo sikhande igroup from lapho ke sesiyaqala ku music siwa ngathi ngisegoli so egoli Mause Randburg music for uma uyi musician yonke into around zonke itudio nani so sifuna ukudlala esikoleni beloko besho no sidinga ukuregister sa register company acoustic mob ukusenzela ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sikhokheleke because kwakungeke bekwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuba invoice singenayo icompany registered so ngayithatha lapho ke into ukuthi manje sengihlanganisa ibusiness no music so ngabona lapho ukuthi okay udinga ukuregister izinto ezithize so ngaregister ke kwiminyango le efanele oRisa oSamro ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola isi membership and then from lapho ngavusa istudio so la ngihamba khona nje ngiqala istudio every time mangithola ihontshe nje ngivusa istudio until ngize ngibuye ngapha ekhaya then ngavula nje istudio official so ama artists aqhamuka lapho ke from la sengivula istudio sewaziwa ukuthi kune studio ekurecorda so basebeza lapho ama artists ezoza ukuthi okay istudio sikanjani then from mina ka ngithi ngiyaselecta laba engibadinga ukuthi no lo singasebenzisana ngikwenzela icontract then from lapho ke
so manje uma uzoqala istudio kudingeka inani lapha
ma uzoqala nje istudio ngasho ukuthi udinga icompany eregistered and then from lapho uzodinga ukuregister kwaRisa kwaSamro kwaSampra nakwaKapaso okuyibona abadila ngama royalties ukuthi nje uma kuba khona ama performance noma umusic wakho wenzile yes and then udinga ke equipment yase studio ke nje yes
uSamro ulo dela nama royalties
yes uSamro udila ngama royalties yes
uRisa ulo checka ukuthi into yakho sidesha kanganani
yes and ukunikeza yes uRisa ukunikeza ne IRCC code ISRC code le ekuyiyona okwazi ukuyiattacha ku music wakho wenzayo ukuze uma usuhambisa mhlambe kuma platforms ukhozi noma kube khona into eprotectayo ukuthi no ownership ibuya kuwena
le number le kufanele ukuthi number plate music
yo music wakho yes bakunikeza for music audio bakunikeza for visual
umbuzo wami la kutheni ukuthi ama artists la dume kangaka ekhalela ama royalties and what bona kusokwenza njani base baregistered or noma baregistered but akufike kubona because you find khona ama platform with some artists are big for the local ekhalela ama royalties amoto nje bona bangaregisteranga bona
mana
baregistered
I think mina into kanjalo uqala ama artist wakho involved kulezi zinto lezi ukuthi artist yena yazi ucula kuphela mase when it come to Samro akazi nokuthi yini uSamro akazi nokuthi yini uRisa wazi nje ukuthi ngisayini contract
talent
ngiqashwa ngamalini ukuthi lezi izinto akayinaki
for example Mr. Hlangalele as a producer record ukuthi I want the talent was of me abenze
yonke lento nale code ibiza yena producer awazi ngathi ungaphendula
no mfethu mfokamlambo kunjalo nalokho okubuzayo ama questions vele a right into edala lokho vele ukuthi most artists abaphumi bayi-informe ngalezi zinto lezi when it comes to the business side of kanti yona ke that's why umusic ukwenza umusic kukubenefita khona ukuregister noku-involve kulama platforms lawo akhona ukutholela ama royalties so isikhathini esiningi involvement abayifaki and uma sebe sign ama contracts umuntu akanaki lokho ubheka yona imali ukuthi no sengithola imali ngizophila so ileyo eshaya ama artists kakhulu ukuthi most of them are not registered njengobusho or uproducer uregistile wangaba register wangabafaka futhi kwi-agreement kwangaba ne-contract supplement ukuthi okay ngoba uma ususubmitting ngomuya split uSamro will ask you ukuthi ubani obe involved kuyona according to ama royalties then no splitter kanjalo uRisa nakhona then you also submitting ngoma kwa Rev uRisa audio visual shothi usuhlanganise konke ila khona yes so kahle ingoma mawusu iqedile uyihambisa kubo bo 3 uSamro uRisa uRev yes uRisa uhambisa the actual song laba bawu2 uregister idocumentation yakho ukuthi ingoma yakho ni kanjani yes but you always have to split ukuthi ubani uthola ama percentages awungakanani.
So lama organizations law yakhokhela per song or
But that's a percentage.
what's the percentage? How does it work?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's membership yeah it's membership based so uSamro before was free but now so require 100 rand or once off. Urisa 100 rand to get a code or once off but to be a member uzodinga ukufaka annual ka 500 so every year 500
Abantu abaningi sebevele be-register nje. So they're trying to control that.
Yes, people before Norisa would give you a code for free but membership for 500 but wabona ukuthi abantu they register and get the code and bashiye kanjalo. So wasefika nokuthi ke if you want to get a code kumele ufake ifika 100 rand then ke bonakala lapho ukuthi serious but again I setback ukuthi umusic wakho kufuneka ube active uphume usebenze ukuze uthole kwa Samro a full membership. If ungayikho active umsebenzi wakho isala ipending membership yakho.
So measure kanjani if music wakho active? Let's say intwana nje upushela ushama video pusha go YouTube like YouTube can uthola ama views out 15 yeah no pusha go SoundCloud. Like bameasure kanjani active bakho should it be like cause what or
Angithi lokho nje ngomini nami. I think khona nale nendawo lezi formal angithi uyakhokheleka leyo ama events abedlala ingoma yakho lapho kumele ukhokheleke lapho. So they collect ukuthi ingoma yakho idlala kanjani nani so mhlawumbe the same mhlawumbe uzothola u10 rand per play. I for example sithi cause into ozoyidlala for 200 times ingoma yakho so yazi ukuthi unamali ensinzo splithelana no Samro angazi kanjani.
No, but uzavu intwana. Yabona ukuthi cause phela lapho it means at least so uthanda you now noticed in a way. Sure intwana intwana for like intwana.
Ngicela ukugcwalisa kulokho okusho umlambo ngoba kuyela khona. Into eyenzakala ukuthi kuSamro kunama portal awu2 khona ama producers noma abantu abenza umculo song creators music creators bese kuba ama music users it's those formal places where abasenzisa music kwabanye abantu like ama clubs Pick n Pay ama wholesale and retail shops anyway where ba register ke nabo kwaSamro ukuze bathole i-membership yokusebenzisa umculo wabanye abantu then ngaleso sikhathi benza kanjalo wena umuyo performer khona or music wakho udlala khona uSamro will know because they will submit like eRadioweni month end mayiphela eRadioweni uCause will submit kwaSamro ukuthi this is the playlist this is how many times we played and then uSamro takes their percentage and then uthatha ipercentage yakho now depending on ama minutes edlalwe ngayo ingoma yakho because normally radio will not play full song mhlawumbe will play 2 minutes wayo then Samro splits from 2 minutes share yakhe akunike yakho but the payout is unyaka shuthi for songs you submitted this year uzothola ipayout yakho next year same month
Accumulate.
Okay.
so for umuntu oqalayo nje ukuthi anotice ukuthi wherever ezodlala aka target kakhulu the places that are formal and are registered or are inquire ukuthi are they Samro members for music users then if as kanjalo then definitely those royalties will be yes azo accumulated.
So is this the same thing no Spotify and iTunes?
With Spotify
So is it the same thing with Spotify and iTunes or what do you call this thing at Jay-Z? Tidal.
Oh, Tidal.
Yes.
Okay.
Audio Mac.
Yeah, Audio Mac. Yeah, all those are.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, kuhlukile. With Osamro and Risa, they do specify ukuthi they are not streaming platforms. So they just give you that membership and e-registration rather, or music rights, and they give you, they collect some royalties. Whereas Spotify or Tidal, as you mentioned, they are more of a streaming platforms for you to put your music where people can download.
Okay.
You cannot go through Usamro and download someone else's song via Samro. So those are streaming platforms, digital streaming platforms. So kunalawa futhi angama umbrella afaka under all of these platforms like DistroKid, which I'm also a part of because distributor it's for distribution basically. Yes.
All right. So Spotify basebenza kanjani?
Or Spotify, as I mentioned, bangama streaming platforms. Kunama distribution platforms.
Okay.
So distribution. Yes, ekufakela ku Spotify and everyone else. Like DistroKid would put you on all of them. Okay. Amazon, all of them. Whereas Spotify specifically, you are only on Spotify. Okay. Yeah, you don't go across. Yeah. So it's advisable to rather choose a distributor rather than specifically a platform.
Okay. Okay. So there are some deals because there are deals we told you the album yakhe ngapha mhlawumbe ku iTunes kodwa ku Tidal kuphela. So I think it depends on ama deals ukuthi usena kanjani.
Yes, that's why if you specifically mhlambe ku Tidal and then usufuna ukuyokhipha kwenye mhlambe baba ne clause ethi no, you cannot share this song with other platforms. But whereas if uthathe distributor does not have ama limits, he uzokunikeza vele access to onke la uzokukhiphela ingoma yakho uzoyikhipha kuwonke lama platforms.
So manje labantu osebenza nabo producer manje producer umculo opholile uMaskandi gospel igqom nisebenza kanjani?
Okay, mina i-record label yami 7112 Royal Air Records, and then i-studio sami 7112 Studio. So engikwenzayo njengamanje, I'm not specifically based on any genre. Yes, I work with any artist. I produce mostly, I do beats. So I'm limited to a specific genre unless I'm doing my own genre, which is more indie alternative. But whereas I'm an artist right now in focus, it's the music long about or trendy, or right, or it's commercial. Yeah, so I'm a piano mostly and house, deep house, and then Umaskandi, and then it would be Afro pop mostly.
Okay, it's calling ngoma mhlawumbe niqeda ku release esingayilindela from bana artists mocabanga.
Yeah, from ama artists 04, they have singles coming up. Nami isingile siphumile. I'm waiting for waiting period for 4 days. Then izobe siphuma konke ama streaming platforms because ngifake through DistroKid. Yeah, so for bona they are also gonna go through the same process. It's just vele ngicabanga ukuthi sizoyirelease namhlanje and then we'll give it 5 days. But in the SoundCloud seyiphumile zonke for listening. So Zoo4 nje from 4 artists Zoo5 ngami, but the 4 artists I managed ziphumile kuwonke ama platform.
Okay. Man, wait, I can't remember, but as well as go music work, go by the name of Ian Italian, or do you have an artist name?
Okay.
Artist name, or
yeah, I do have
stage name.
No, I do have a stage name for convenience sake, because kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlambe sekuyaclash ama usebenzisa igama lakho. So for releasing sebenzisa uEvic on stage.
Okay. On stage.
Yeah, Evic on stage. Ukulichaza nje kafushane, it's Evic kahle kahle. It's my name, second name, and my younger brother's second name, Shona 2013. So we started the journey of music together. So we usually just play around and in his performance, shooting a camera, recording. So the spirit sakhe still lives in me, music, because he was more the stage type, I was more shy, production type. But yeah, so to join the names together gives me that performance yabo.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So his name was Victory, mine is L. So to put them together, I just said Evic.
Okay.
On
nice,
stage.
Nice.
It's profound.
Yeah. No, I was no kuphela. Usiphe nje umuntu.
So, because this platform is also to assist, everyone who's listening. Your studio is based in AP?
Yeah, Eshoba area. Yeah. Just towards Life Right, 10 kilometers out towards Eshoban. Yeah.
So, anyone is welcome. Let's say most select about you don't have any requirements, you don't have specifications and
No metric or something.
No, because I'm also more educational. I prefer anyone, even if umuntu eqala from scratch. I do give you engazi lutho. Siyakukhulisa nje from lapho and then sikucathulisa until ufika la wena obona khona uthi hayi sengiready. Now I want to be an artist because I don't work with artists abanga registered. I always encourage them to know if you want to work with the studio, rather register or let me assist you with registration, then you can come back and then we talk. Because I don't want to masenza ama splits kube nalento yokuthi angisabonanga ukuthi kwenzakaleni but ngiyayibona ingoma is making money but mina ngithola lutho. Rather if you are registered you'll get your splits via yabo into yakho straight. Yes. No ngibalekela leyo nto leyo. No yona into exabanisa iindustry le yona into exabanisa ama artists with ama studios ukuthi suthatha into manje ephilonga kumuntu. So I always encourage them to register and then come back and then so but ulwazi ungalithola la angeke ngikuncishe ngizokunikeza ulwazi and then you go if ufuna ukuregister ngaphandle or if ufuna ukuregister I would register you sihleli nje ngikubonisa yonke into.
So you run alone the studio production or do you have a team or you do the marketing, you do yonke into?
I would say with the guys engbar producer artists lawo for they have other talents because they abanye bakwazi edit ama video so we are a team together on that project but as a studio nje sisodwa siranwa yimina but because sisebenza nabo bavulelekile yabo ukuthi mabe nami nezinye ikili bring to the table because nakhona you will earn from that. It's not ukuthi you are being exploited ngoba usuphakathi no okuzofanele kuze kuwena kuzoza kuwena according to yabo.
So makufika umuntu nje let's say a PR yes umuntu did PR noma umuntu oshaya marketing ifene proposal utsika hlawulela proposal no push any marketing or PR na kusiza ama artists what if ngodinga umkhokhele I go up for my applications and say someone like let's do this njalo marketing skill experience push it.
Yeah, at this point before benganaso leso space because I wasn't looking at growth but manje ngoba I'm looking at growth and ngokushesha because sengiqalile vela ama processes I wouldn't mind umuntu ezosho kanjalo uthi no yazini can we work I'll assist you ngalokho vele I know ukuthi eventually ngizodinga isection ekanjalo umuntu ozodila ngalokho kakhulu because iyona into edriver kakhulu music marketing so I wouldn't say no at this point because I'm looking into growth and at a very fast pace. Yeah.
So manje sesingade studio siqala.
Mangiqala ngiyanika ama inumber so this one is 10.0 I mean 10.1 so sungabala shuthi ses 10 so everywhere I go I hlezi ngimiss studio somewhere la ngikhona because it's been a passion ukuthi ngilekelele nabanye abantu ukuvusa le passion because I feel ukuthi studio gives us that passion to know let me still push yabo if
so manje so
no stress no
so uma ngifuna ukurecorda do you charge me by hour noma kwenza kanjani?
Okay.
Or uzoyi recover imali or
that arrangement only works with ama-artist assigned where I look into the future of ingoma because I know with Namings were involved in the marketing. So I'll definitely want to get something out of the arrangement where I do not take anything. But for umuntu wangaphandle currently, I do charge for studio time. And it's just that if it's one day, I only charge you for the work done. It's gonna either be beat making, mixing and mastering. But if it's more than that a day, because artists do book in to sleep in, yabo. And then if you do sleep in, and then I will charge you for in too.
Oh, uyakwazi ukulala sinendawo la studio.
Yeah, sinendawo yokulala in case you are there for more than one day. Yabo.
Hayibo. This is advanced. Mana nami umuntu efona la. Uyafona uyabuza ukuthi
Akayikhetshana.
Yo.
Okay, nami umuntu efona la. Uyabuza ukuthi so manje idemo ngiyisenda kanjani uzaxhumana nawe uyabona ukuthi unalo ulwazi about music so manje ufuna mhlawumbe ukusendela idemo nikhulume before asuka la asuka khona mhlawumbe usuke edani mhlawumbe usuke eMnambithi mhlawumbe asende idemo ubona ukuthi ulokhu kanjani then person niyaxhumana utholakala kanjani.
Okay.
An email or something, yeah.
Yeah, at the moment ngiyasebenza nge-email, ngiyasebenza ngo-WhatsApp because nowadays siyakhona ukusenda ama-audio. But mayinkulu then I prefer email. So right now ngitholakala ku-ayanda.nhlangulela@gmail.com. That's my personal email, is straight kamalami.nesibongo@gmail.com, where umuntu mayefuna ukukhuluma nami in terms of ama-demo because it's preferable ngoba ukwazi ukusenda isize omkhulu nge-emails. So I prefer that. But communication wise uyangithola kwi-personal number 07968 anytime na ku-WhatsApp same number ngiyatholakala khona just mayefuna ukusenda i-message akhuluma abuza ukuthi ngayisenda kanjani i-demo. Yeah, so usho kahle I prefer communication before umuntu azasuke. Yes, but if you are locally sure ba use-Vryheid, it's easy ukuthi ufikele khona. Yeah. If you are locally nje it's easy to come by a studio then you can see from there.
So kukhona la performer khona nje mhlawumbe for interesting, maybe there's a local pub or indawo yoba phela wona nje Wednesday chillers nje be shy session. Do you perform or?
Yes, I do perform ngoba ke I'm also a live artist. Currently njengamanje kune band engiyimanager yase-Vryheid ngibizwa nge-Diamond Cheese Band.
Mana yenza le band
Does all genres depending on what. Like if say mhlambe une theme kwi-event yakho, then we can theme our music towards that theme. Otherwise we do all genres of music. We also do our own original music. So we do perform around the Vryheid locally.
Sorry, pause.
No.
Uyamazi Bob Mat?
Babmat.
Phongolo.
Ayiwa,
kumele kuhlanganise noBob Mat. Bese Phongolo is a band. Hey, bro. Damn. In band jazz. They have all the instruments you can think of. We have a podcast. So I think if you can help them record, because I seen videos by performer live, like I think
he needs to channel to his studio.
They need to record it, then from this business with 700, then they have like instrument like is giving us 30,000, bro. Something speakers or 60,000. Right, because ngambuza ingoma zakhe bathi hayi nani yabo. So I think man ngathola umuntu
ozomchushisa.
Mina ngizomtshela manje.
No, please do ngoba I'm also based ePhongolo. I've done projects ePhongolo with the group ekuthiwa Heart of Africa. We do like in informative sessions nabantu, informing them about yonke lama rights. So I think it would be crucial vele because I do Pongolo as well. So I think cover areas that are around. So it would be beneficial for them and me as well. So we think expand. Yes, no, please do.
Plug you in would say no, bro. They're coming to the podcast, so they shut bro. Like,
yeah, please.
Yeah, they will come. So, it's in your opinion, Yako, about like DJ Maphorisa would say if into record masters awakhe, especially chaza ukuthi nama masters.
No, Ama Masters basically is ownership of Ingoma. Who owns the song, how many percentage, but when you have all the masters, it means you own 100% of it, from production to, and it's when we split according to what work has been done. Sometimes you might be the songwriter, he might be the beat maker, so you split according, but Mayezo Tatama Masters, then it means he's taking all the rights regarding from songwriting to mechanical rights, should see the time is record or in the studio, basically. Yeah.
See president. Uchaza ukuthi mina ngingacula mina ngingayi kodwa ingoma ngayona yami.
Yeah, when someone owns your masters, when you do a song at the studio, they advise you to pay for Ama Masters or pay for the song. If you don't pay, then it belongs to the studio. And then when that studio registers the song, he registers according to, yes, on his label, everything under him as the artist. And then usala kanjalo. Sambro only knows the person registering the song, yes.
So this is why you told me about have been in the music industry for 20 years. So we got that broke.
Yes.
So we ingoma like sadlala, but
no masters.
Ama masters ingoma kai own. Yena wafika wacula nje kwathi showcase boy say drop.
Injalo.
Yena uthola imali le record abhukwa ngayo. Uthola leyo mali kuphela. But when this come, they say uKFC ufuna ukuremixa leyo ngoma nani akatholi KFC 500k.
And now as the artist or performing, you just become a performing artist. And then in the end, remix, you can't do anything. Even if you wanted to just to tata upiswa konu when the color tune or a ringtone, because you can split it as much as you can. You can't do anything. Because you don't have masters, yes. You need clearance every time you're going to use the song. And clearance in most cases, dingy man. Permission every time. Yeah, basically, I split. Whatever he can squeeze out of the song, he will squeeze. Whether he takes it to an advert, he makes it a ringtone, a color tune, whatever he does out of the song, it's in his powers. Masters. When you can't say anything about it, and prove a local would need inkantolo and abameli entertainment lawyers to try and sort you out. No, iculo yelami lasungulwa yimini ilokho kuba inkinga.
Ilokho nje lento endaba ye-pirates affecta kanjani music?
Pirates affect in terms of all those streamings, those discs that you sell do not count. In terms of, and when they do not count, they don't make any money. So the more people are being pirated, it means that if mina ngenze 100 copies ngemali, ngithi ngizodayisa wona, each copy mhlawumbe izongibuyisela u10 rand, and when someone pirates 10 more copies, then means people will get 10 more copies for free. Then mina sengisale sengiluzile from game, yabo ngicine sengingadayisanga lutho ngenxa ukuthi ama copies amaningi apiratiwe, whereas lawa ekade ngibheka ukuthi ngizokwenza kuwo yabo ngizoshaya uplatinum angisakhonanga ngenxa ukuthi asesabalele yonke indawo. That is why kukhona lama digital platforms akusiza ukuthi ingoma yakho ungayikhiphi kulawa free, ikhiphe kulawa azokugeneratela yes nama streams.
So moving closer to la uzoperforma khona ncancane wasiyasona
omncane nje umuntu omncane.
Ngifuna nje ukuthi where do you draw your inspiration from music? So For example, most of it's ingoma. What inspires you? Qala. Is it meditation? What's your driving factor? So to say as in daily Where did you draw inspiration?
Because splitted, I some songs come in, inspirations come from the guitar, some come from just making the beat and making the song from the. It depends. Uma ngizoza ngapha, for me it's more spiritual. I need to be at a place where I'm just spiritual, and then the song, I feel that songs that come from this side, they come for themselves. Whereas when I do beat making, it's usually someone else's inspiration. Someone comes, or I hear a sound, or someone else's sound, and it's yes, they're beating a khalela, if it was. But mostly they come from instrument for me now.
From the instrument, it's deep.
It's deep, yeah. It's not something I would listen from someone and then copy. But when I do production, it's usually artists coming in, maybe, hey, no, I and then I draw inspiration from there, or I'm something similar. But whereas with the guitar, it's just inspirational, yeah. We are noting is feeling and
So, who make sure part of the beat maker and producer?
Okay. Beatmaker would mostly focus on using your Fruity Loops, yes, he does use that, or izinto zokwenza beats angisho kanjalo. Whereas a producer is not limited to that. He can create even from vocals. He can even take vocals and produce a song from just the vocalists. Yeah. So then a producer can yes. Yes, that's production, yes. Whereas beat making is using the lama platforms, the Swaniga, Swat download, Swatanga, yeah.
You know, Joe, any into that's always new from saying that if Japan calendar say drop me, or my parents were able to buy me Japanese laptop or something. Mina, good thing is the reason Mina, the conji career would have been like if you make a song. Because of the studio, no man is do to pass. I will tell you, this is the one, boy. That I want to lay off.
That guy, this is the one.
We're getting out of getting one another.
You
then give feedback. That's it.
Go music. There's different like as you say, Konu produce. There's an executive producer. There's an arranger. There's an executive.
Okay.
There's always someone. Then there's someone assisting. Depending on their skill. Skill center studio, and they are required just for that.
But so because this thing, sort of saying, what's up, I used to go. Ngisho yilento le ngoba ngiyakhumbula ingakafiki indaba zo WhatsApp ngoba sayishara ngama-Bluetooth namhlanje sekhona
Express Music, Nokia Express.
Nokia Express. Mina mfethu ingoma ngangivele ngiyizwe, even i-artist when ithatha i-direction ngangivele ngisho ukuthi ayabolo it's going to be a bomb. This one is going to even ucharishile ngakwazi upinpoint ukuthi check this one out. Ngiyakhumbula ngangithanda ukuthekeza.
Sure.
But khona le ngoma le yakhishwa KO kusafika ama-DStv le i-mission statement.
Yeah, mission statement.
Ayi bro.
Wabona ukuthi ayile hit.
Ngafike ngatshela umjida ngathi khona impahla ekhishwa KO. Yabo. Uzothi okay, hayi. Yabo ngakwazi ukungani ngina endlela ukuthi hayi yabona siyakhaya.
Arranger in most cases, yeah. Arranger does that work for most cases. But ingoma, beatmaker can make the dopest beat, but ahluleko we arranger in terms of what follows afterward. Then no, it would be nice if it playing piano.
Okay.
Piano then add. Yes. Okay. So arranger does this. Then you need to work with other people who have the skill.
As I won't die without using this thing. Asinid mhlawumbe makhamba isikhathi if istudio sakho ngifike ngizolalela ngisho ngithi okay
Feel free, mate.
this
Feel
one
free.
is the one ayile mfethu ungayifaka but siqala ngalena at least
So shaya documentary nje on that day. Ashaya ngoma
From beginning to end.
sizwe
No. That would be nice. Ukwenza into kanjalo
because
because
even nalabo basaphongela ngitshela ngabo bro they are coming
because I always tell the guys I work with, I'm an artist, ukuthi once ingoma isiphumile ungayijahi, have a listening session, call 10 to 15 guys owathembayo noma abantu obaziyo to sit around, have them into encanyana ukuhlafuna manzi okuphuza, and then just badishele music wakho and let them listen and give you feedback. From there you take it from there, yabo. Because before you get into these digital platforms where abantu bazobahash into mayisiphumile get listeners nje, physical listeners bakulalelele uzino yazini lapha ngizwa mina ngathi lapha nalapha iyageja, and then from there ulungisa amaphutha ngithi studio skhona lungisa ingoma adjust lapha nalapha and then release, yabo.
ingoma epolofoni okay asesiyazi ukuthi zihluka kanjani lezi impahla lezi so then ilokhunye mhlawumbe usungasho usunesikhathi singanani wenza mhlawumbe 10 years of music since
10 years bese
guitar
ngoba ngasithenga ngo 2011 I would say now 10 years, over 10 years, yeah. No, let's say artist likaMaskandi. Yeah, mostly equipment enye ngiyishiya studio because moving around with studio I have mover now, I have a studio, yeah, so to avoid
into mhlawumbe kumangazile or biggest surprise why you doing this music thing like surprise maybe from artist or
the surprise for me was two incidents. The time ngisaqala ukwenza music I met two of abantu ebengibahlonipha ku music, or rather I would say mentors to me from afar, but then I got to sit with them and get mentored for that time. Uzola and then uZulu Boy.
Okay.
So I had an opportunity to kuhlala nabo, bangimentor uZulu Boy behlala ngala ngihlala khona, so I met him there and then ngakhuluma naye, he invited me kwakhe. He would mentor me on the production, told me to know, even though you're an artist, still push yourself to understand the production, because that's where you get ubumnandi bengoma, mawenza ingoma uzokhona ukuthi ube novo lwakho. And then from inside likaZola, it's the studio hours, I'd say, because we would go there every day. People would be in the studio working, pushing his studio time. So shout out to them, for having instilled something in me about that time. Yeah.
So mhlawumbe networking nama-relationships kubaluleke kangakanani kule industry?
Kakhulu wethu, like any other industry, networking is very important. Ngeke ube inkomedlo edla yodwa. That's how you get ukuthi nakhona across genres, usuke kule genre ukuye ukwazi ukuya kwenye genre, because you've worked with other people. So networking uthola nabanye njenganje, like we are still in the same genre, same profession angisho kanjalo. You guys help us, yes, you are giving us a platform ukuthi sikwazi ukuyipush, which is I always commend abantu abenza into kanje, because ama platform ayafuneka nathi, yabo. Nami next time masengiphuma ngaphandle I tell them ngibuya kwi podcast kaSanele Mnambo, yabo. No, yes, noNkululeko Sithole. It was nice experience. Then omunye umuntu usezofuna ukuza, yabo, lento okade you should know, I should invite other people. Now that I've been here, it's easy, because now I know what to expect. Can tell them no, it's chilled, it's relaxed, come through, yabo, ukhulume lokho okushoyo. Yes, ngiyabonga nje from inside from the both of you guys. Big ups kulento eniyenzayo, sengathi ngakhula ibe nkulu, yabo.
Taking it all in.
So manje do you believe ukuthi umuntu engakuvala like an artist uzumuntu, for example utire eThekwini uyavalana, amapholisa eGoli uyakuvala
Nje blocking
uyablocker, uyakuvimba gatekeeper, akafuna ngibe big. Iyenzeka yonke le mhlawumbe iyenzeka kanjani?
Ngoba i-podcast isazosabalala, ngicela ungabi specific to bona, but
Yes, just for example.
yes.
Yes.
For example ngami eshoba Su2 esine-studio, but the other is a more recording studio, whereas mine is more a distribution studio. If ungasi ngathi sobabili asifune ukusebenza namuntu sizoyikhetha ukuthi sisebenza naba, a lot of artists upcoming they would suffer, then kuzoba sengathi ukuthi bavalelwa yithi bevalelwa yithi yabo. So that is what happens kulezi indawo like eThekwini. If indawo vele kwaziwa ukuthi uquality ukhishwa lapha and mina ngine influence or somewhere somehow vele when as an artist engafisa uye lapha ngeke ufike lapha.
Okay.
So kuba yileyo nto edlala kuba politics, like the politics of music.
Ungaqashwa lapha.
Injalo ungamfaka ubani ngoba wenza ukuthi noma ngadinganga nje ukuthi ngikubeke.
Wena ungasebenzi nalo.
Injalo nje. And if nami ngithola something from wena, obvious ngizolalela lo mthetho ukuthi khona ngingaze ngimoshe relationship yami noSanele. Let me know.
Lapha ngu-DJ kuthi ungadlali ngoma lo.
Injalo nje. Nasemaklabhini ayithi bekuba kanjalo khona ama-artists ebengadlalwa o-DJ nabo DJ they are very important kwi-industry yethu ngoba ibona basabalelisa umusic.
Showcase. So o-DJ do they pay lokhondu uSambro nani? Kwenzakalani? Do you have any idea about them?
If they are creative, angithi ngoba uSambro offers to iminyango. He would register as a music user to use if a DJ ngumculo wabanye abantu. But if a DJ ngumculo wakhe he is producing his own, he would then go under music creator. Then he would submit his stuff sakhe vele, and if edlala awuyikho inkinga mayedlala stuff sakhe. Only mawudlala umuntu umculo omunye umuntu then it becomes an issue to clearance.
As I have this thing ukuthi this episode is izobona umuntu omkhulu lena ungizwe nhlangoleyo. Because of his knowledge. Because of his knowledge, bro. I will be so happy.
No, ngakujabulela lokho bafethu, ngakujabulela mfethu lokho, ngakujabulela. No, ngakujabulela.
Mana ke khona nokusele then no akukho kusele nyama sisingadlala then bese kuma social media streets then adlala games then bese sayifaka.
Okay.
Awukusidlalela isizwe ke mana isigcinwe lesi sinaso inali igama noma nje because abanye abantu bayazi ukuthi hey le
Mina sabe sendlini sinalo ama abbreviation EA nje, just a representation ukuthi imina ama initials EA. Whereas if uzozama uyidlala kakhulu, whereas abanye abantu angabanazo, but lo angakamuzwe embiza ngegama. Suggestion ngizohamba ngomtshonsi no bathe kufuneka umqambi. So ngizodlala iculo eli-1 I co-wrote it with uThepang Rasimetsi, stage name uPure.
Okay.
Engaqala naye, so I'm just going to
mention.
Yes, the guy I mentioned engaqala naye sirana sobabili acoustic mode.
But I think we should send this kancane mic.
No, I think if you can hear my voice, the guitar will be as loud as. Ngizoshaya umuntu nje omncane then ngiyivala so that we can get to the games. But igama layo is Sky is Falling.
Okay.
Is it also out platforms?
No, this is an acoustic version which has not been mechanicalized. I got record. Still just an acoustic. We used to play it for live sessions.
Okay.
Sometimes it feels like the sky is falling. Sometimes it feels like the sky is falling, and I'm just lost in the darkness with nothing but the silence, and lost in the darkness with nothing but the silence. And sometimes it feels like the sky is falling. Sometimes it feels like the sky is falling and I'm just lost in the darkness with nothing but the silence, and lost in the darkness with nothing but the... Okay, how when you switched off, switch on. Let's skip the pep talk and let me get straight to the point. No sweet talking. The darkness is near. I turn the switch on and there's brightness. The light is what I see only. I don't wanna be in darkness. That's my choice. I don't wanna be in silence. Turn the speaker on and let me say what I have to say. Be reminded, this is not one of those free songs. And every day I wake up in the morning. Every day it feels like if the sky is falling. But let's just fight hard to keep it up, just to make sure that the light doesn't fade to the darkness. And sometimes when I fall asleep, I don't keep my eyes shut, so you know that I'm watching. This really feels like a dream, so please wake me up, cause I don't wanna die without a reason. Sometimes it feels like the sky is falling. Sometimes it feels like the sky is falling and I'm just lost in the darkness with nothing but the silence, and lost in the darkness with nothing but the silence.
He's a shot of my
Damn. Damn, bro. Damn, bro.
Thanks. Ngiyabonga, cheers. Ngiyabonga.
It was dope. You. Hey, I was with your man.
No.
That was your man.
Aye, bro. We said about the first. Please capitalize on social media, bro.
No, ngiyabonga.
Go for. Aye, bro.
Normally, I can't be live. You go TikTok, and I'm saying,
Even the say on live, I post.
Yeah, I was still getting to that. You know, to now usaqala content usungazi which direction. Yeah. Once you found leyo nto leyo, because mostly bengifuna ukuthi mase ngingena kuma platforms kube mostly stuff that I've registered and release. Yeah. If I do a song, it's something that already because Samro and Resa don't mind even if it's like raw, as long as you've mentioned ukuthi unento kanje upcoming kanje, then you can do it anywhere, so that bezok protector in the meantime. Yeah, so.
But even my cover, please do them.
No, I'll do covers, because I used to do covers before. It's just that angithi asifani singama-artists, mina ngancishwa kakhulu kuma-covers, but I do covers. There's quite a few songs that I do covers of. Yeah.
Hi, bro.
No, ngiyabonga. Thanks. No. Next time I'm sending invite we podcast and then maybe sengizonaba yabo. But for now just bengithi nje umucu omncane because yeah.
Yakhuluma. But siyabonga. Then again, I guess ngene kuma social media streets. We go to Twitter, then let's check my 5 trending topics. Then sizocomment kuwona lawo ma-topics ukuthi sibone ulwazi sinalo ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Then not ukuthi khona umuntu esimlokhunjayo. Into trendayo social media uRulani. uRulani Mokoena, a former Mamelodi Sundowns coach. Then khona team North Africa offerisha ideal, so kahle nje means uthi trend ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uphelile
uSundowns.
Yes. Rulani impact nani comment la.
Okay. I don't watch soccer that much, but from into bengiyibuka nje from uRulani, ukufika kwakhe kwi-Sundowns. I think he did after ispace sika I think coach uPete, yes, I think he did fill the space for me from ukubuka kwami. He did meet the expectations, and naye even though ebenza ngendlela yakhe, but for me I feel he did have an impact with Sundowns. And I don't le move yakhe, I feel for me iyona move right, because after for Sundowns usuwenze wazwafika lapha, you need to shift before ufike la khona uzoshona phansi. I feel for mina imove yakhe ibe right yabo, from indlela asenze ngayo. He has reached i-pinnacle kwi-Sundowns for me. I think la ngafika khona, then ukuvuleleka kwakhe njengayo uPeter, he managed to go abroad Africa. I think i-Sundowns was giving him that yabo. So to say nje, in short, I don't know much about him, but the impact that he did with Sundowns, he did his part yabo, which is why you see ukuthi useyahamba manje, useya an offer Africa, within Africa, abroad, I think.
And you trendayo about Kate
Mackenzie
is
about
minister sports arts and
recreation. Yeah.
Did I say it right?
Arts and recreation.
Sports, arts and recreation. Yes.
So much I can see we clean which is spring cleaning, because German just requested a list ukuthi obani we benefit from the department
behamba
artists. So there's a list that I've saw. Artists, but again, is from 180, but like ngazumuntu oyedwa lapha uAda
Mafokate,
ngaze yena kuphela. And then I had to put out so because Kono Ada Mafokate is about Ada. So, but we are about to board like white names, like all of us. Never.
That's politics.
Yeah,
that's politics.
We'll question on the list, so that's why he's trending. So what do you have to say? Because now we arts.
Yeah, I would say ngiyangayibona that on X comment yakhe about nanokuthi kufuna kunciphiswe like imali yabantu laba bahamba ama supporters la wathola ama super fans. Vele from ungena nje kwi-portfolio, you are always expected ukuthi kube khona ushintsho noma umnyakazo owenzayo. He can't get into a portfolio bese ethi I know I'll just leave it as is. So I think now uzama uku-implement into ekade ibuka from iside la ukuthi no, mhlambe mangenza kanje it's too early ukuthi ngingacomment ngithi mhlambe it's a good move or not, ngoba ngakabuki ukuthi izo impacta kanjani. Yabo, ngoba mhlambe nama could have been one of the artists okuleya list sengiphuca isingo yabo. So
relief fund COVID.
Angithi yabo. So at this stage angakazi ukuthi
20,000 man.
Angithi yabo angakazi ukuthi directed at what and nabo yini bebe contributor to that effect. But nje as i-minister engene kwi-portfolio entsha, it's always good ukuthi usheshe siwabona ama-ideas akho, so sheshe sikwazi nathi ukukwamukela yabo. But yeah.
So enye into mina engididile lapha ukuthi okay, COVID came in 2020. So i-relief fund yama-artist was for ukuthi bafetha ngisabhukwa ngisakwazi
yes uperforma kuma-platform.
Manje u-Ada wagcina ukurecord, wagcina u-Ada u-release music. So ithini criteria lapha ukuthi noma wagcina ukurelease ngo-2000 uyayithola i-relief, but again
for me, I would say it's like any other fund. There's always lama loophole la uthi ayina ngiyafaka ngizophuma like honest fast. People who did not deserve it, into kanjalo nje. Nabanye aba-applyanga ke artist mhlawumbe ayekade mhlawumbe isangenze mhlawumbe usijava athi no mina ngi-right. That's why mhlawumbe list ungababoni nalama artist la wajwayelekile mhlawumbe ngoba amanye athi no yazi nokwamanje no I'm good. So bona makwenzeka isipheli COVID.
Omunye umuntu utrendayo uMakhadzi utrendelane ukuthi ngibeyo bese USA. So washaya i-podcast naMark G washo ukuthi akasenamali, nemali ayilokhunjile afike ngayo lapha e-USA to flight so ibolekile because shothi ushawo SARS abo shothi bengakhokha uSARS angazi kanjani. So much that's why it's trending, she's trending, and the other thing is ukulokhunja your department le yakhe okwamakhemisi ivele yakhipha yathi uMakhazi simsupportile ngo-250,000 so manje uMakhazi uclarify ukuthi aningisupportanga naningibhukhile for this event, so that's why she's trending.
Yeah, I would say the platform ayitholile right impela ukuthola iplatform abroad to speak about vele izinto eziaffect ama-artist nani. Lento ayisho ikhuluma kulokho bese kukhuluma bheka ukuthi when artists are not well informed about the industry, njengoba umention uSARS is also where there's money coming in. Yes, but SARS is always next to that money. So artists, they don't look at it that way. There are platforms where you can get your money, but if it's gonna go through a platform like a bank, SARS will know. So they don't take that into account. Uthola ukuthi aksekuthola umuntu ukonect uSARS because uma ingena imali akakunaki konke lokho kwama returns nani naka nje uthi ngenza imali ngenza iperformance ngithola imali cash and then unake ukuthi like our department they pay you through your account, they will not give you cash. Yes. So definitely SARS will know and imali esuka inkulu le yabo.
So enye into ama-artists kumele ubheke uSARS because uSARS masufika
destroy business law.
Ufuna lento ayifunayo unendaba ukuthi yini efayo nani ungathatha lona ibhizinisi lakho lelonza ngalo imali
as long as ilingana nemali oyikwenetayo bayakuthathela
lo kwasana bafika endlini bethatha ifurniture let's set. Let's check another trending.
It's over West 5 ain't lo.
Yeah, ugcina ngenye because back trend omunye umuntu otrendayo uMark G no Amanda DuPont. So Mark G bethu Amanda DuPont.
Oh yes, man.
Umthukelani manje.
Umbiza amagama.
So into yenzeka uMark G wenza podcast noJubJub. Then uJubJub afika washo athi mshayile ubani ngamshaya ubani awumenshina negama Amanda. Then Amanda DuPont wayithatha leyo nto leyo because bekwi relationship so wayithatha ngokuthi degrade nanoma somdelela wayesethi Amanda DuPont wamrape because they were in a relationship. Then she asked online abantu about relationship no Mark G ukuthi if ever wa Mark G, please come to me, sense case symbol. She wanted something from Mark G. Then Mark G tried to sue her, then Amanda Mark G Amanda or wabayibhambaza zonke lezo zinto. So icala la JubJub belihamba because benama accounts amaningi rape nani attempted murder nani akho Amanda. So Amanda wahlangana namanye amathekeni abethenana noMark G no JubJub bapress ama charges. So then icourt NPA tholile ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukuqhubeka nale case because abukho ubufakazi. So bejabulela lokho kulokhu JubJub uMark G wayesemthuka yesho ukuthi she's evil usathane yenzelani lonke lento ayenzayo. Then uJubJub uthi usazopress ama charges against labantu laba abebemqambela amanga according to the court. So that's why they are trending. This is sensitive.
Yeah, no, sure. I think something should say, but just to comment on it, Nani, be careful when you do have a platform like this. Stay up, it's very able.
Yeah.
Moyo movie, even with other for Mark G ukuthi alawe uJubJub, we are different, we are South Africans. Akufana Pesha you can name shame someone and ngabinking, whereas Sinalana we mind siyazwela yabona ubuni. So manje mawuzokhuluma into enjalo nje khona amajita amthandayo Amanda azotheka kahle nimeni kancane yabona ke manje JubJub yes sengisholo nje yes umndeni yabo yonke leyo nto le around isekela Amanda nje for you to be named nalabo abanye bebekhishiwe listini yabo uMacGibe kufuneka be careful nje ngokualawa iplatform ekanjalo ukuthi yabo kuze kuphume into ekanjalo for a platform esenkulu njengeyakhe because ayibuyele emuva leyo nto ayibuyele emuva so I think iphutha lakhe libe lapho bekufuneka axolise nje just ukuthi no I allowed into kanje get out of hand kuze kufike ngoba vele umuntu uma umgxobile umuntu engacomplain ukuthi umgxobile it's fine but umuntu once wamgxoba ngempela wase ekhala cha ungigxobile sekuphoqa ukuthi vele uxolise ngoba you can't defend the action yakho ngokuthi uthi hayi ke ngizokugxoba futhi noma sengizokushaya ngempama kuvele kubonakala no yabo so
okay, then get to see our
games.
Which is called One Must Go. So come on, Master too. Then he gets
okay. Locally or international or
okay. Even normal models.
Okay. If I one must go either way.
One must go.
Okay.
No, that's even if soccer players,
okay.
We are checking nje one must go bese uyashuta lo ngenzela kamnandi nani boys not ukuthi uyamzonda nani it's just to prefer
this over the other actually.
Yes. Yeah. Then even if it's fishing nani yabo.
Yeah. Nangi.
Jobe ufike nakho.
Ngingaqala. Dr. Dre 50 Cent.
It seemed easy when you just say usayisho kokuqala. I would say 50 Cent.
Must go.
Yeah.
Okay, then between 12-string guitar and acoustic guitar, one must stay on must go.
Yeah, 12 string.
Must go.
No, must stay.
Oh,
Acoustic, 6 string must go. Yeah.
Okay, why?
The numbers 12 is more better than 6 strings because you get more melodies. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It sounds a bit more melodic than 6 strings.
Okay.
It's like 12 people singing than 6 people singing.
Okay, between the guitar and trumpet or saxophone, which one?
I prefer guitar because you can sing with it and you can perform when you're playing it, and it doesn't. It's not too much admin than the saxophone. Yeah.
Between the artist, being an artist or being a producer.
I'd prefer being a producer because I can always transition to being an artist, whereas an artist it lacks being a producer.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to find artists now about doing guitar.
Okay, between R&B or Maskandi?
Maskandi.
Maskandi.
Yeah, no, recently, ever since I figured artist la Maskandi, I fell in love with, even from the production, I fell in love with the production. No, umnandi, awunakekile, yeah.
Okay, between a BMW or VW?
VW.
VW,
yeah, I'm not a speed person. For me, I believe.
Not a speed person?
Yeah.
Oh, between Ray Phiri or Johnny Clegg?
Ray Phiri.
Must go.
No, must stay. Yeah.
Oh.
He plays something I couldn't play, whereas Johnny Clegg plays more of my style because he's white. Ray Phiri is more African rooted. Yeah, he plays Stella, so Oliver Mtuku is more, whereas Ray Phiri is from Istimela, whereas Johnny Clegg is a white guy playing English, white chords, but singing South African music. So I can do that. Namga is getting more like that than Ray Phiri. I would say Lady Smith Black Mambazo because I love more choral. So banning it, you get different voices and different harmonics than Soul Brothers. Just two guys, I think. Two. Any further questions?
I know, I'm content ngapha mhlawumbe khona ukubuza.
To just assist you on two guitarists, you would have said BB King, something no Buddy Guy. It's all, I would say BB King for me, because he plays the blues. But in fact, Boba Bill.
Blues. What? Yeah, the blues. Do you play the blues? What would you consider? Blues.
Yeah, I would say modern blues. I do. I would listen to something that is blues, like maybe steely tempo yakon, and then compose something from the tempo, or maybe from a swing yakon, depending on what I like from that genre. That's the advantage of being a producer. You can take from anywhere and bring it together to form one thing. Yeah, that's why I can say producer then.
Okay, khona into yabe ngithi ngiyibuza. Like let's say na ingoma so recordile, so releaseile nani. So uyenza kanjani into le ukuthi umfletch umuntu lesemhlophe no uploada ku YouTube. U-YouTube abona ukuthi le ngoma ayanda. Uwenza kanjani lapho ukuthi u-YouTube i-detect ukuthi le ngoma ayanda before umuntu enza imali ngengoma yakho ku-YouTube? Because
angiyifaki directly to YouTube.
Okay.
Nge-account yami ngiyifaka via DistroKid. DistroKid does the cleanups. Yes. DistroKid distributes to all of them. Lawa khona nje, all of them, othidal onke, and then he does the sweeping up with, or if ingoma yami ngoba ngithi sihamba necode yakhe, he detects it ngecode yakhe. Whereas if we fake direct, he will still ask you if usuya kwa DistroKid uthi, did you put it anywhere else other than love DistroKid? If you did, you mention it kuye, then DistroKid will go and sweep for you. So that is the advantage of having digital distributors rather than a physical distributor, because physical distributors are your CDs, dollars, CD, no DJ, but those ones they can digitally sweep for you if you join Airborne.
Dope. So DistroKid lo wake professional mwana.
Yeah, I was a US, but it's easy to join. It's you get online. You get 3 plans, one for one artist, which I'm using currently, and then the second one is for 2 artists, and then the third is for more than. For more than one. That's when you have grown. Because now my plans are affordable.
Okay.
But it's for annual fees.
Okay, that's nice. So, shall podcast shout out to okay, but this is Amulela podcast Kasanele. Please follow, like, share, and subscribe
as well.
Then please share la utholakala khona then please.
Okay. Shout out to everyone who's watching the podcast. Ngiyabonga bafethu ukuthi nibukele lama shows kaSanele Mlambo noNkululeko Sithole. They are dope. Ne setup yabo ngayibona bafethu is dope. It makes you feel comfortable. Nje shout out to everyone, and then la ngitholakala khona ku Twitter it's Evicon Prod, which is Evicon Production, but it's Evicon Prod. You go Instagram, it's at Evicon Stage. Go Facebook at Evicon Stage, or you can find me go Ayanda L Ntlangulela. Go SoundCloud at Evicon Stage, and then you can find me on WhatsApp. Go number is 02, which is business, and one is personal. 079 680 3341. That's my personal. My business number is 083 429 5513. So. If you feel like lento engiyikhulumayo resonates nawe, please guys contact me. We can assist each other. But all big ups to the podcast. Nibuke bafethu some more other episodes ngabhekile kuphela, so siyabonga bafethu for into kanje. Yeah, I'm open for bookings, as I did mentioning ne band Diamanches. It's a band, and then for me now personally, I do have artists who are also performing, so for that you can call me and then I'll discuss everything further, how we send invoices and all of that. So yeah.
Okay, we have come to the end of our episode. So please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SA_ Mlambo danke siyabonga.
Danke.